root 10 on the number line. And how we will represent root 10 on the number line. This question related to exercise 1.2 chapter number 1. In previous videos I told you about how you will draw root 2, root 3 and root 5. So today we are drawing root 10 on the number line. Locate root 10 on the number line. Okay, so you know that how we will draw root 5. So we will start from root 5. Firstly, you have to draw a number line. Okay, firstly we will draw root 5 on the number line. Here 0 and here 1, here 2. It means you have to take 1 unit from here to here, then here to here 1 more unit, so total here to here 2 units, or you will draw simply 2 centimeter. Okay, this is point O. Point O, and this point is A. Point A. This point name A. Okay. So after that, what you have to do? You take an 2 centimeter like that. Then draw a vertical line of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. This is of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Name of this one B. Okay. Join OB. Join OB. So first we will find out how much OB. So in triangle OAB, AB perpendicular on OA. So here will be right angle. So this is a right angle triangle. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem. We will write in triangle OAB. Okay, OAB. Angle OAB equals to 90 degree. Why 90 degree? AB perpendicular on OA. So angle OAB equals to 90 degree. Okay. So look, I am writing directly here O and here A. OA equals to 2 centimeter you have to draw. So OA 2 centimeter and AB 1 centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem. You know that opposite side of 90 degree called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equals to sum of the square of other two sides. So OA square plus AB square. Okay, we have to find out OB. OA how much? OA 2 centimeters. So we will write 2 square square plus AB 1 centimeter 1 square. 2 square 4 and 1 square is 1. OB square as it. Okay, OB square as it. So here you have 5. OB square equals to 5. So OB equals to root 5. OB, you will write like that. OB square, root both sides. Both the side you have to apply root. So it will be OB equals to root 5. So OB is root 5. Whenever you have to draw root 6, root 7, when you will draw root 10, you will get root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9 and root 10. So you have to start from, you can start from root 2 also, it will be lengthy procedure. So I am starting from root 5. So easily you can do like that. Root 5 you can take. Then you will draw root 6, then you will draw root 7, root 8, root 9, root 10. And one short method you have, directly you can take this one 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So here will be 3 square plus 1. Directly you can draw root 10 by taking base 3 centimeter. But for telling you root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, root 10, I am taking this. I am using this method. Okay. Directly also you can do. If OA you will take 3. So it will be 3 square plus 1. 3 square 9 plus 1. And here will be root 10. Directly also you can do. I am starting from root 5. Okay, now OB is 5 centimeter. Sorry, OB equals to root 5. So draw an arc. Draw an arc. Okay. So here, this is point A1. Okay. OB and OA1 will be equal. OA1 equals to OB equals to root 5. So, point A1 represent root 5 on the number line. So, OA1 represent root 5 on the number line. Now look how we will draw root 6. Root 6. OA you have root 5. OA root 5 you have. Okay. Now same method here. At A1 we have to draw 1 centimeter. Again we will draw 1 centimeter. Okay, same procedure you have to use. Then this point is, earlier point is B, name of this point is B1. Okay, B1, join B1 to O. B1 को O से join कर देना है. Getting, you are joining B1 to O. Now you have another right angle triangle. OA1 P1. So what will be changed here? Earlier we written AB perpendicular on OA. Now we will write A1 B1 perpendicular on OA1. A1 B1 perpendicular on A1. Getting? Then Which angle will be 90? This one. Name of this angle OA1B1. Earlier this is OAB. Now this one OA1B1 equals to 90 degrees. In previous we taken OAB. Now we are taking OA1B1. Triangle OA1B1 and angle OA1B1. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem. If you want to write separately, so you will write like that. A1 B1 perpendicular on OA1. So angle OA1 B1 equals to 90 degree. Earlier one you have AB. Earlier one like that. Now you will write like that. So in triangle OA1B1, angle OA1B1 equals to 90 degree. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem. You can compare both. By Pythagoras theorem, what will be? This is 90 degrees, so what will be hypotenuse? OB1 square. OB1 square equals to, if you are feeling difficulty in A1, B1, so you can suppose other name also like C, D, E, F, G, H. So OB1 square equals to OA1 square plus A1B1 square. Okay. OA1 equals to root 5 square plus root 5 whole square. A1B1 equals to 1 centimeter. Whenever you have to draw roots, this vertical line you have to take only 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Okay. So here A1B1 square. So 1 square root 5 square, it will be 5. Square means root 5 into root 5. So 5 into 5. So you will write 5 only. So directly we will write like that. Plus 1. 1 square root 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. OB1 square as it. Okay. OB1 square equals to 6. So OB1 equals to root. Both sides we will apply root. So here will be OB1 equals to root 6. Getting? You are looking? Here method same. Only what is changing? Horizontal line measurement changing. Vertical line remains 1 centimeter. So you are getting root 6 on the number line. Root 6 on the number line. Okay. Now look. OB1. OB1 is root 6, but this is not number line. So what we will do? We will draw an arc from keep needle at O, pencil at B1, draw an arc. When you complete this hole, you get a circle. So OB1, and I'm writing name of this one A2. OA2. OA2 equals to OB1. Okay. Radii of same circle. So OA2 equals to root 6. So like that way you can represent root 6 on the number line. So A2 represent root 6. Here you will get root 5. Here you will get root 6. Okay. Same way we are getting root 6. Again we will draw 1 centimeter vertical line. Here we will draw point A1 represent root 5, point A2 represent root 6. OA2 equals to root 6. You will not write centimeter here for construction, that it will help to you. That's why I am saying 2 centimeter. Otherwise we will say 2 unit. For drawing these you have to take 2 centimeter only. You can't increase this measurement or you can't decrease this measurement. So you have to take exactly 2 centimeter, but then we will not write root 6 centimeter. This is simply root 6. So OA2 represent root 6 on the number line. Again same procedure, we will draw 1 centimeter line, vertical line. Okay, name of this point B2. Point name है B2. So what we do? We will join B2 to O. B2 से O को join करेंगे. Getting method same everywhere. This figure will be very small, and these vertical lines are close to each other. So what we will write again? At A2 you drawn vertical line of 1 centimeter, or you can say 1 unit. Now this is vertical and this one horizontal. So angle here 90. So what we write? A2 B2 perpendicular on O A2. Okay. Therefore angle OA2 B2 equals to 90 degree. If you are getting confused by A2 B2, so you can use simply letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H like that. Okay. Now in triangle OA2 B2, you are looking OA2 B2, this triangle, right angle triangle, this one. Angle OA2 B2 equals to 90 degree. OA2 B2 here 90 degree. So that will be hypotenuse OB2 square. What we apply? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. O B2 square equals to OA2 square. OA2 square. OA2 square कितना आपका? रूट 6 प्लस A2 B2 square. लाइन है, ओके, दिस लाइन इज A2 B2. So this one square. Now this one being root 6 square 6 मिलेगा and here 1. OB2 square as it. ये आपको क्या मिल जाएगा 7. OB2 square equals to 7. To root both the sides. Both the side you will apply root. ओके, तो यहाँ क्या मिला OB2 इक्वल्स टू रूट 7. OB2, this one OB2, this is not on the number line. So again we will do same procedure. Keep needle at O, compass at B2. Draw an arc. आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, arc looking like that, previous arc like that, and ये like that. ये arc है और यहाँ पे आपने लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, OB2 रूट 7 है, इसका नेम टू दिस नेम A3 कर देते हैं. तो OA3 आपको कितना मिल गया? OA3 will be equal to OB2. तो ये आपको मिला रूट 7. So we will write OA3 equals to OB2. तो ये आपको मिल गया रूट 7. और सिंपली यू कैन राइट OA3 equals to रूट 7. ओके, अब आपके पास मिल गया रूट 7. नाउ फॉर रूट 8 व्हाट यू विल डू? अगेन यू विल ड्रॉ वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर. OA3 है रूट 7. अगेन आप वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे 1 सेंटीमीटर का. ओके, देन यू विल जॉइन दिस टू दिस. O से इसको ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. तो दिस पॉइंट नेम B3. A1 A2 A3 लिखने से आपको ये फायदा होगा कि आपको पता चलेगा कि कितने हमने लाइंस ड्रॉ कर दिए. 1 2 3. ओके, यहाँ पे मिला था 5 रूट 6 रूट 5 रूट 6 रूट 7. नाउ वी आर ड्रॉइंग रूट 8. तो रूट 8 के लिए क्या करेंगे? एट रूट 5 रूट 7 you have to draw 1 centimeter vertical line. Okay, same procedure we will do for that also. First you will draw vertical line, then this point and this point you will join. And again we will write same thing. पहले आपका था A2 B2. अब लाइन नेम A3 B3. लाइन का नेम हो गया A3 B3. परपेंडिकुलर ऑन AB3. ये OA3. ये है आपका A3 B3 एंड ये है OA3. बोथ आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. सो विच एंगल? एंगल OA3B B3. ये एंगल OA3B. यहाँ पे एंगल बनेगा that will be 90. Okay. Now which triangle we will take? Which triangle we will take? OA3B3. ये ट्रायंगल लेंगे OA3B3. OA3B3. ओके, एंड एंगल होगा OA3B3. सेम बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. What we will do? What will be hypotenuse opposite of this one? इस ट्रायंगल OA3B3 Name of this one OB3. OB3 square. OB3 आपकी साइड का नेम है, हाइपोटेन्यूज का. तो स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस वन इक्वल्स टू OA3. ये आपका बेस हो गया OA3. इसका स्क्वायर, ये तो आपकी साइड हो गई, इसका स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं, साइड का स्क्वायर. ओके, प्लस परपेंडिकुलर हो गया A3B3. A3B3 है आपका परपेंडिकुलर, तो इसका भी स्क्वायर. Getting? So this one remain as it. Simply you can write like that also, or you can write like that also. And value of this one OA3 का वैल्यू कितना है? √7. यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिल गया? √7 होल स्क्वायर. प्लस इसका वैल्यू है B1A1 B3A3. इसका वैल्यू है 1. B3A3B3 1 स्क्वायर. ओके, ये क्या मिला? √7 स्क्वायर 7, 1 स्क्वायर 1, एंड ये आपको मिल गया OB3 स्क्वायर. ओके, OB3 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 8. 7 + 1 8. अब इफ यू अप्लाई बोथ साइड रूट, तो ये आपको मिलेगा OB3 इक्वल्स टू √8. Getting? OB3 √8. But we need √8 on the number line. Again we will keep needle at O, pencil at B3 and draw here, and pencil at B3 draw an arc. Arc draw करेंगे. Okay, it will be look like that. So here you get √3, sorry √7. यहाँ पे आपको √7 मिला था. अब OB3 सेम आर्क है ये. So this point we writing A4. A4 आपको मिल गया √8. Getting? √8 आपको मिल गया. तो we will write OA4 equals to OB3, and OB3 का वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है? √8. So we can write OA4 equals to √8. If you are facing problem like that type of point, तो हम इनको सिंपल ABCDEFGH ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Getting? I am showing you by one example. A4 को मैं लिखती हूँ C. इसको मैंने C लिख दिया. ओके, सो A4 की जगह I written C. तो आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. It's not necessary that you write in term of A1, A2, A3, A4. You can write this one like that also. Getting? You written this point name C. You know any other point name C, so ये C हो गया. From C again draw 1 centimeter long line. अब इसका नेम हम लिख रहे हैं D. Okay. So again join O to D. OD को join कर देंगे. OD. You have to join. Smoothly you have to join this one. This is point C at OC equals to √8. Now you have √8. रूट 8 मिल गया, नेक्स्ट क्या मिलेगा, रूट 9 एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल गेट रूट 10. So this is 1 centimeter. So what we will do, again we will do same thing. What we will write, CD, आपने नेम चेंज कर दिया CD. If you want to write next point तो आप इसको A4 लिख सकते हैं, इसको B4 लिख सकते हैं. ओके, OC and CD perpendicular on OC. So angle OCD क्या हो जाएगा आपका 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा. ओके, OCD कौन सा एंगल होगा, C. सेंटर, ये जो RS मिडिल पॉइंट जो है वही एंगल बनता है वहां पे, OCD. तो C पर एंगल बनेगा. सो दिस इज पॉइंट C, यहाँ पे एंगल बनेगा. ओके, so in triangle OCD क्या लिखेंगे, OCD angle OCD equals to 90 degrees. Again by Pythagoras theorem. Again by Pythagoras theorem. So you know hypotenuse, opposite of 90, OD. So you will write OD square equals to OC square plus CD square. Okay. OD square we have to find out. OC square कितना था आपका, OC you have root 8 whole square plus CD you have 1 centimeter. ये CD 1 centimeter था तो 1 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ये हो गया रूट 8 स्क्वायर 8 प्लस 1. तो OD square here 8 plus 1 9, OD square 9 हो गया. तो OD square equals to 9, both side apply रूट, तो आपको मिलेगा OD equals to 3. रूट 9 equals to 3. रूट 9 फैक्टर करेंगे 9 के तो 3 into 3. So you will take out, so you will get 3. You can say root 9 or 3. So after root 8 you will get root 9. This line representing root 9 or 3. Same thing. You will take compass, keep needle at O and this one at D point, draw arc. You have to draw. ऐसे रहेगा. Okay, you will get another arc. This one representing root 9 or 3. अब इस पॉइंट के नेम लिख लेते हैं E. तो OE आपका किसको शो कर रहा है, रूट 9 और 3. रूट 9 इक्वल टू कितना होगा 3, तो ये 3 को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. अगेन यू विल ड्रॉ 1 सेंटीमीटर वर्टिकल लाइन. ओके, सेम मेथड you have to use for all type of irrational number. You have to remember that vertical line should be always 1. तो आपको अरेंज करना है कि यहाँ पे क्या हमें मिल जाए। तो वर्टिकल हमेशा 1 ही रहेगा, इसकी जगह पे आप नंबर यूज कर सकते हैं। सपोज फॉर √10 you can write √10 whole square equals to 3 square plus 1 square. You can write this one like that. So whenever you have to draw √10, so directly you will take from here to here 3 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. Okay, directly like that also you can draw. So this point name D, ये D था, this is E and this one F. E here we taken, ये हो गया F, join O F, join कर दो इसको. Okay, now you are getting again a right angle triangle. Name of this triangle what we write EF, perpendicular on OE. Therefore angle OEF equals to 90 degree. Okay, this is vertical line, this is horizontal line, so here will be 90 degree. So hypotenuse will be OF. So what we write in triangle OEF, angle OEF equals to 90 degrees. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, what will be hypotenuse OF? OF square equals to OE square plus ये आपका OF है, ये OE है and EF. Okay, now we will put value. OF we have to find out. OE we have √9 we can say or 3 we can say. You know √9 equals to होता है 3. So we will write 3 here. 3 square plus 1 square. √9 square करेंगे तो आपको डायरेक्टली 9 मिल जाएगा. 3 स्क्वायर करेंगे तो भी आपको 9 ही मिलेगा. ओके, then 9 plus 1 10. OF square as it, OF square as it, OF square as it. Root both the sides. OF square equals to 10. Both the side apply root. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? OF equals to √10. OF not on the number line. OF आपका नंबर लाइन पे नहीं है. We need √10 on the number line. तो keep needle at O and your pencil at F. needle को O पे रखना, पेंसिल को F पे. Draw an arc. Okay, you drawn an arc. इस पॉइंट को name of this point G. Okay, so OF and OG will be equal. OG equals to OF. So what is the value of OG? OG equals to √10. OF का वैल्यू √10 है तो ये कितना मिलेगा आपको? √10. OG When you complete this arc, you get a circle. So OF and OG are the radii of same circle. So both will be equal. इसलिए OG आपको कितना मिला? √10. So OG equals to √10 and point G represent √10 on the number line. यहाँ ये √10 है and this point G represent √10 on the number line. Like that way you can show other roots also. And for √10 you can do directly also. If only question about √10, so you can do directly like that. First you will draw 3 centimeter. Okay, OA you draw 3 centimeter and here 1 centimeter. Join this one B. This is 1 centimeter. Okay, this one 90 degree here we drawn perpendicular to each other. So in triangle OAB, angle OAB equals to 90 degree. यहाँ पे 90 है तो ये हो जाएगा OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. Here will be 3 square plus 1 square, 9 plus 1, OB square as it. OB square आपको मिल जाएगा 10. OB square equals to 10. तो OB equals to आपको मिलेगा √10. We will produce this line. Okay. If you have to draw only √10, so you can use this method also. OB √10 मिल गया आपको. So keep needle at O, compass at B, draw an arc. This is your number line. ये नंबर लाइन है. We need √10 on this number line. तो ये पॉइंट हो गया A, OA, B and C. So this one also equals to √10. So we will write OC equals to OB and both are equal to √10. तो OC equals to हो जाएगा √10. For √10 you can use this sort method, but for √8 there is no sort method. √7 there is no sort method. √6 there is no sort method. So at least √5 you have to draw. After that you will get √6, √7, √8. For √10 you can use this sort method. Like that you can draw other irrational number on the number line. You have to focus on this one. This perpendicular line, vertical line should be 1 centimeter only, 1 unit only. Okay, and this one you have to take on the number line. You have whole numbers only. तो whole number के टर्म में ही लेना